Ay, hindi na pala.
Hindi na.
Oo,
Ano
pero
ka
I'm just so excited ngayon. Bakit ba? Naka-live ba tayo?
Yes!
Hala, bakit na naman? Bakit na naman tayo naka-live?
Hindi lang tayong dalawa ngayon, Konyo Bicolano.
Ay, ba't amoy foreigner ka?
I know,
Parang ang bango
right?
mo, like
Because-
super legit and all.
Because I prepared for this day. This is a very special day
Totoo.
for the two of us.
Ay, oo, actually,
Diba?
naligo kami ngayon.
Yes, and we've practiced our Englishing skills.
Englishing. So, ibig sabihin, may foreign na naman tayong kasama?
Yes.
Wow! Oh, 'di ba? Kaya mga kabisyong online, mag-comment na kayo dito at i-share ang live na to. At wag na natin tong patagalin pa, like super legit and all, kasi naligo ako for this. Naligo ka for this?
Yes, and I've memorized my skit on
Yes.
introducing this artist.
Yes!
So eto na nga mga
Let's
kabisyo.
go.
His music is fueled by authenticity, something that has become apparent with his unfiltered, heart-on-sleeve lyrics and handcrafted visuals.
Wow,
Visual
artsy.
ito.
Oh, visual, artsy.
His viral bop, Stupid in Love. Talagang sumikat ito dito sa Pilipinas.
Mm-hmm.
And within the Philippines alone, the track has already achieved over 3 million
Wait, ilan?
streams. 3 milyon.
3 milyon!
On
Wow.
Spotify. Grabe. Kaya without further ado, mga kabisyo, kailangan pa bang i-memorize to?
Basic!
Please welcome
Max!
Thanks, guys. So happy to be here. What a beautiful intro. Thank you,
Of
baby.
course.
Oh.
Max,
Yes.
we heard that this is your second time,
Second time,
here in the
yes.
Philippines.
Yes, indeed.
So how is it so far?
So great. The food's amazing. Everybody can sing, it seems like. I went to this restaurant just now. It was the singing chefs and waiters, and it was
Yeah.
every single
Right.
person could sing. So I'm having a great time.
Welcome to the
beautiful.
Philippines.
Thank you, baby. I appreciate you.
Yeah. But you know what, Max, our fans and even us notice that collaboration plays a significant role in your music.
Yes.
So how do you choose the artist you want to work with?
It's always organic and natural. I feel like it has to be an artist that I love their music, and I when I meet them, then we get along really easily. And so that's been the consistent thing, I'd say. And I'm so proud and grateful for the artists I've gotten to work with, which is one of my favorite things. Yes, baby. Yes. Let's go. I see you.
But you know what? When we entered the studio,
Right.
I really felt, the authenticity, the
The
vibe
vibe.
of Max, no? So it really reflects on your taste, the partnership that you want with your collaborations with other
Agree.
artists.
Yes, absolutely. I'm an only child. I go by one name, and so I just like to collaborate. I'm lonely. I just want to do collaborations, so it's fun.
Yeah, the energetic one, the
Yep.
only child.
Yes, I
You're the
guess.
only child.
Yeah.
Now for my next question.
Yes,
we
baby.
heard that Bruno Mars,
Ooh.
Justin Timberlake, and Ed Sheeran are your music inspirations. So if you were given a chance to choose among the three, who would you choose to collab with and why?
It's so hard. Bruno
So
Mars
hard.
is a short king like myself, so
Yeah.
that I'm biased towards that, and I love him. But I do think Ed Sheeran and I would make a really special love song together. I think we would, especially on Love Radio. Let's go.
Right, I got
Yeah.
goosebumps.
Yeah, Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah,
right?
baby, why not? We've met a few times. He's a wonderful guy, very sweet. So let's manifest it. Let's do it. Ed.
Let's go, Ed
Manifesting
Sheeran
universe.
and Max. Ed Max. Why
Ed
not?
Max. Yes,
Right?
Max Sheeran, whatever.
Yeah, but Max, beyond music and acting, you're also known for your advocacy work, particularly in mental health awareness. Can you
Sure.
tell us more about this cause? Why is this so important to you?
Oh, I mean, I'm a big advocate for therapy or whatever anybody needs, meditation, whatever you need for your mental health. But yeah, it saved my life in so many ways. I seem very happy, but there's definitely some times where I get very depressed, and I think that the therapy has made me really accept myself and love myself more deeply. And I think everybody deserves to love themselves for who they are, and that helps with mental health.
I love that.
That's true. I think that's the main reason as to why the Filipino audience resonate with you and your music, because you talk to them through your music.
Yes.
I
You're
love
not just an
Aw.
artist, you are really a storyteller.
Yeah,
like it.
I love
Thanks,
it.
guys.
It's getting hot.
I know, right? And for sure, our audience would want to know you more, but in a fun, exciting way.
Yeah.
And since it's really hot here in the Philippines,
Yeah.
we should do an icebreaker.
An icebreaker.
Icebreaker.
Let's go.
So this game is very new.
Yeah.
It's called Filipino tongue twister.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Let's go. Here we
but
go.
these sentences are in Filipino. But don't worry, we're gonna help you.
Okay, I'm not saying anything too naughty, right? It's,
No,
no,
but
no,
do you
no.
want?
I
Do you
trust
want?
Do you want?
I don't know what I can say on the radio.
Okay, so we're gonna give you the first one, and then you'll try to say it 3 times.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is Sinusi
Sinusi
ni Susan
ni Susan
ang
ang
sisidlan
sisidlan
ng sisyo.
ng sisyo.
Yes.
Good luck.
Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisyo.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisdilan niyang sisyo.
One more.
Another one.
Sinusi ni Susan Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidilan niyang sisyo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Last
Last one. As fast as you can.
Okay.
This is a cardio.
Sinusi ni Sinusi ni Susan ang
Sisyo.
sisyo.
There
There
you
you
go.
go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, okay.
So cute. What does it mean?
It's about the chick.
Yes.
It's a small chick in a container where
then Susan owns
opened. Yeah.
The chick.
It's,
The
you know, Filipinos are very complicated.
Yeah.
So,
Just forget it.
I like
Yeah.
it. I like it. I like
No, let's go. Move on. You
for
did great.
for the second one, it's ang
Ang
relo
relo
ni Leroy
ni Leroy
ay
ay
nagka
luray
luray.
luray.
Ang relo ni Leroy ay nagka luray. Let's
There.
go!
Ni Leroy ay Leroy.
Yes.
One.
Second.
Okay. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Leroy.
Now, as fast as you
that's
can.
good.
Ang relo ni Leroy ay Leroy.
Whoa!
I like that item.
Yes.
Okay,
What does that
Perfect.
what does that mean?
The watch of Leroy has been broken.
Yes.
Oh, so sad.
Yeah.
So
but
you
did
better
great.
replace it.
I gotta
No, just
replace
kidding.
it. Let's
Now let's move on to the third one. This
Alright.
is this is kind of hard.
Difficult.
But
Yeah.
this is common. Kabilugan
kabilugan
ng buwan
ng buwan
ng
ng
kabilugan.
kabilugan. Okay.
Kabilugan ng buwan ng kabilugan.
Oh, wow. Kabilugan ng buwan ng kabilugan.
Yan.
Very close. Kabilugan ng buwan ng kabilugan.
All right,
So close.
faster.
Kabilugan ng buwan ng kabilugan.
Yay! Well,
Ganda.
pretty much easy for you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
What does it mean?
It means full moon and the sky is full.
Yeah, that's
Right?
right.
Romantic on
Yes.
Love Radio.
All right.
like
Yes. And now for the fourth one we have here. Oh, this is really
Oh,
tricky.
I'm scared.
He can do it once na lang because this is kind of
Yeah.
difficult.
So,
Okay.
it's isang platitong
Isang platitong
puting-pating
puting-pating
sa tabi ng
sa taping ng
pudpud
pudpud
na puting pader
na puting pader
pinagpuputakti
pinagpuputakiti
ng puting
ng puting
putakti.
putakti.
Now
Yeah.
the floor is yours.
Oh my God, I don't want
Let's
the floor. I don't want the
go.
floor. Isang platitang puting pating sa tabi ng pupad na puting pater pinang pupupatakti ng puting putakita.
Yo!
That was wrong. That was
Yes. We love it. We
Thank
love
you,
it.
guys.
What does it mean?
It means a whole new world, a new horizon to pursue. No, just kidding.
There's a battle between a white
Wa-
shark
and a wasp.
a wasp. And they did the battle in the white wall.
And they died together.
They died together.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
See?
Hey, but that was fun.
That was really fun. Thank you guys. Yeah,
Right,
I love
right.
it.
Our audience are going crazy right now.
Yeah, you can actually do it when, starting to do your first
The
song.
performance?
It's like
Yeah.
a warm-up.
Warm up.
Puting pating.
Yes.
Now, let's move on to
Yes.
getting to know you more. But
Sure.
this is more on your music.
Okay.
So, recently, you released your album, Love in Stereo.
Yeah.
I'm so kilig. If you could describe Love in Stereo in 3 words, without using love and stereo,
Yes.
what would they be and why?
I would say passion, honesty, vulnerability.
Oh,
Yeah, that feels right.
it melted my heart.
Really?
I want loyalty.
You're still
I
there.
want
You're not melting.
passion.
Yeah.
I want.
You deserve it, Queen. You deserve. Everybody does. Yeah.
Oh, very passionate, and it
Yes.
really resonates to your output, to your music. But you know, back then you used to do tours with Fallout Boys.
Oh, yes,
right?
yeah.
If you were to choose an artist to join, you know that to join you now that you are doing a 3-night show here in the Philippines, who would you choose and why? But please don't choose me.
Okay.
All right? No, not me.
What am I gonna do now? Oh,
Right.
first in my mind is my friend Keshi. It would be amazing to do shows with Keshi with our song "It's You," and I just love him, and he's the best. So us together would be a very fun show.
Wow,
Yeah.
interesting.
I can imagine that it's really fun, to do your music with your loved ones. Someone special.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, absolutely. It makes it even more special. Exactly.
Woohoo!
Of course, I mean, I'm pretty sure that the Filipino audience would want to know you more. So, can you invite the Filipino audience where to follow you, where
Sure.
we can watch you more, listen to you more?
You can watch me live tonight, tomorrow, the next day. UP Town Center tonight, 7 p.m. I'm so excited. I've never done mall shows, so it's going to be really
Yeah.
exciting to do them here. Tomorrow, it's at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. I keep forgetting the names. Ayala Malls, Manila Bay tomorrow, 7 p.m. And then finally, one Ayala Makati Sunday. So I'm excited for those. And you can check me out on all the stuff. I have at Max most places if I'm lucky, and at Max Music. And, I love the fans. So hit me up.
Followed.
Very cute. Very
Yes.
cute.
So, Max, before we end this interview, let's have a glimpse
Yes.
of what's gonna happen tonight.
All right, cute.
Max, can you sing a few lines of your favorite song for our kabishos?
Yes,
We call them kabishos. our
Cabishos.
audience.
Okay, I'll do Stupid in Love as well. I feel like that's the one. Okay. Cause I'm so stupid in love. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need a guest list. I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love. So stupid in love with you.
Sheesh. I can't do that.
Oh my God. I think I'm gonna go to that 3-night show.
Yes,
Come
yes,
through,
yes,
Oh,
yes,
man.
yes.
It's different when you hear it live.
Mhm.
Really.
Absolutely. Max, thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
boys. Thank you, guys.
We're very much excited with you, and we hope that you're enjoying your stay here in the Philippines
So fun.
and you're feeling the warmth of every Filipino here because we
Yeah.
love you.
Yes.
love
And of
you
course,
guys.
the weather.
Yes, and
It's
of
very
course the
hot.
weather.
Of course, of course. I'm trying to remember. Ang ilit, no?
Ang init,
Ang
no?
init.
Ang ilit, no?
Yes.
Init. So you should eat halo-halo.
Halo, halo.
Hello, hello. Did we have that yet? No? Yeah, we did. Kind of. A little bit. We tried
Yes.
it. Okay, I'm going to try more.
All right. Any final message to all your Filipino fans?
Thank you, Philippines. I love you. I'm so happy to be here. Salamat for listening to my music, and I hope to come back many more times. Excited to play live tonight.
Yay!
Once again, mga kabisyo,
Max!
Ayan.
Nako.
Kaya kami, mga kabisyo, magpapaalam na muna kami.
Oo
Yan.
naman, kasi magre-ready pa kami, a-attend kami sa concert ni Max. Kasi kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Muli, this is your pinakamagandang probinsyana, DJ Robin Shana.
Your Uragang Broski like super legit and all. Konyo, Bicolano.
We love you!
Bye!
Mwah.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Max.
Max.
Radio, thank you,
We
babe.
love you.
Thanks, guys. Love you guys. Thank you.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!